so amazing today on the second right. It's Hallituskatu 9 stickers for you.
Yeah, or yeah, I can call it. Asuntoskeitti Hallituskatu 9 in Tampere, staircase B. We have to try to get the staircase A also. It's a bit harder. I think you should take to right with me after the floricator, so you can also take 2 rides with it. The 1974 PS 3532. Porsche 320 kilograms. Is split by Kiva's plant, maintained by ValmetSchlieren. Yeah.
To the first floor. Shall I for you?
Yeah, yeah.
It's only the stickers I left now.
Yeah.
We have to try it separately.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's the hardest one here.
But shall we wait on outside it?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. But we don't need that door to be open.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
That's